The term ecological imperialism was coined by Vandana Shiva, Lawrence Buell, Paul Ferry, Alfred Crosby. तो ये Alfred Crosby. A form of verse adopted for singing or recitation which presents a dramatic or exciting episode in simple narrative form is called ballad. A form of verse adopted for singing or recitation which presents a dramatic or exciting episode in simple narrative form is called ballad. Heroic couplet consists a line of verse consisting 7 feet, a stanza of 7 lines, a verse lines with 7 syllables, iambic pentameter lines rhymed in pairs. Iambic pentameter lines rhymed in pairs. That is, heroic couplet consist. Who pioneered heroic couplet in English? Geoffrey Chaucer, William Langland, John Dryden, John Milton. Geoffrey Chaucer. Who is associated with theory of disconstruction? Maud Bedkin, Gayatri C. Spivak, Alan Tate, Jacques Derrida. Jacques Derrida. Who is associated with theory of disconstruction? Theory of disconstruction by Jacques Derrida. Theory of disconstruction by Jacques Derrida. The originator and name of disconstruction is given by the French thinker Jacques Derrida. Disconstruction form of philosophical and literary analysis. Peripecia is generally explained as a reversal of situation, the conclusion, the conflict in the play, the change from ignorance to knowledge, the reversal of situation. Peripecia is the reversal of situation. Which of the following does not constitute three unities, a popular component of drama? Unity of events, unity of place, unity of time, unity of action. तो ये होगा unity of events. Hagiography are written on lives of marginals, the lives of subalterns, the styles lives of Christian saints, none of the styles lives of Christian saints. 14. A 14-line poem in iambic pentameter consisting of 3 quatrains and a concluding couplet is known as ballad, Shakespearean sonnet, elegy, lyric. तो ये होगा Shakespearean sonnet. If in ballad a line or stanza is repeated but with an addition that advances the story, it is called referential repetition, incremental repetition, just repetition, none of the above. ये होगा incremental repetition. If in a ballad a line or stanza is repeated but with an addition that advances the story, it is called incremental repetition. Which of the following statement is not correct with reference to ode? Pindar's ode are encomiastic in contrast to the passion, visionary boldness and formal language of Pindar's ode. Many Horatian odes are calm, meditative and colloquial. The regular ode was introduced by Thomas Gray. Pindar's ode were written to praise and glorify someone. So its answer is the regular ode was introduced by Thomas Gray. Which of the following term is applied to a dramatic representation of serious and important actions? Comedy, satire, tragedy. तो ये होगा tragedy. Serious and important action होता है tragedy में. Among the following which does not consist of lines of iambic pentameter without rhyming? Free verse, blank verse, heroic couplet, तर्जा राइमा. तो ये होगा blank verse, without rhyming होता है. Blank verse जो होता है वो without rhyming होता है. Among the following which does not consist of lines of iambic pentameter without rhyming? This is blank verse. The addition of curiosity to the desire of beauty was romanticism in English literature. It was defined by Walter Peter, Ben Jonson, Logius Kjamen, Dr. Johnson. ये होगा Walter Peter defined romanticism as the addition of curiosity to the desire of beauty in the classic and romantic literature. So this is question of literary forms and terms. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. Bye bye.